Okay na naman anak ako kasi okay na ang aking hair. Pwede nga bang magpakulay ng buhok while you're pregnant?
Did you like Anna's hair?
Huh?
I'd like Anna's hair.
Anna's hair? Do you like Mama's new hair color?
Yeah, what color is it?
Blonde.
Oh, what color? What color?
Blonde.
Blonde?
Blonde.
Blonde?
Yes. Do you like it?
Yeah, we like that color. And this one. Okay.
Good morning, people. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday, everyone. It is, what time is it now?
10 o'clock.
What time? 10? Oh, very close enough. It's now 10:30 in the morning. And yes, pupunta ito ng paaralan ng ating baby girl. Ayun. Okay lang na medyo late siya kasi si mami ay wala ng trabaho. Diba? So, ayan, madadala natin siya doon anytime. Ayan. Naririnig niyo ang ating daddy. He is working today, guys. From
No, he's working. He's just calling.
Yeah, oh, he's just calling. Yeah. So, kahapon, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, first day ko kahapon na wala akong trabaho. But, I spent the whole day cleaning the house. Miss Ladies, pag may time. Did you have a good sleep, anak? Big girl, mama. Wala na lagi katol-katol mong liom, no? So, tingnan nyo ang ginawa ko. So, di ba ito yung desk ko doon, guys? Yung kung saan ako nag-work. So, I moved it here. Ayan. Tapos, silagyan ko niyan. And I moved yung Birds of Paradise doon para malapit siya sa window. Kasi it needs light. It needs the sun. Mamamatay na yata. And I moved it here. This one. So, pa-outfit tayo. Ayan. So, ito yung outfit ni Mami niyo today. Pastel. Wala na siya outfit first. Ayan. So, may lakad din si mami nyo today, guys. So, after kong i-drop si Paris sa kanyang school, I will go get my hair done. Oh my God. After 1 million years, mapapagawa na natin ang ating buhok.
I don't want to go to school.
You don't want to go to school? Why is that? Mary is there waiting for you.
No, I want to go to school. I don't want to go.
Josh.
I don't want to go.
Ayan, so tingnan nyo, di ba, mahaba na ang kanyang tubo. And then, I realized na maganda gawin ngayon before lalabas ang ating baby girl. Kasi pag lumabas na ang ating baby si Lynn, ayan, medyo mahihirapan na tayong magpagawa ng ating buhok. So, since may time tayo ngayon, gagawin natin. And then, I'll take you with me, guys, para makita nyo, ito ang ating before, ha. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang, regrowth. Ayan. So, I'm not too sure kung ano yung gagawin ko, guys, with my hair. But, pagdating ko doon, we will figure it out. You show me your outfit with me. Wow.
I want my feet.
Babe, move there a little bit. Babe. Wow.
I want my feet.
Yeah, I can see your shoes. Big girl naman kayo ka na.
I want to stay.
Ha, Ate Paris naman kayo.
No, show us shoes.
I'll show you shoes. Wow. Alright guys, we're gonna make a move now. Ready na ang lahat. Asa na mong bag na? Okay. So, this is Paris' bag. And tingnan niyo ang aking jacket ko kasi alam kong sobrang ginaw. And here's Mommy's bag for today. Anak? Ano school? Ano school daw? Ayun niyang pumasok. Ayun pumasok na. Para lang.
Ate po, Mama.
Huh? Yan po? Tingnan niyo guys. This one. Oh. She's, very hard na. Oh, here. Ulo ba to or lubot?
Lubot.
Lubot? Lubot.
Lubot.
Did you have a good sleep?
Nilagyan ng cream.
Who was
Daddy niyang kanyang
Were you saying?
itchy.
Were you saying when you wake up, Daddy? Daddy? Were you dreaming about Daddy?
Yeah, I was making magic.
You're making magic and you made me freeze, didn't you?
I was a rabbit. A rabbit.
Ah, thank you.
A rabbit. A
Daddy,
rabbit.
Daddy, take me to the car. I'll take us to the car.
Come.
And ready na. Ready, steady, go!
Okay.
Ready, steady, go!
I'm just gonna come walk to the car.
Where's your shoes?
I haven't got them. They're too hard to put on, but it's just runners. I have to put my runners on. I can't do that.
Where's your fila?
You put the you're wearing them.
Ginaw ah.
Who's at school today? Who else?
Wow, it's drizzling na ah.
Hola, and who else?
Really?
I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love you. Kasi nag-exchange. I love you na sila, guys. Tignan nyo ang aking jacket. Oh, sobrang kapal. Wala akong pakialam, guys. Oh, sobrang ginaw.
It's in the bin. It's in the bin. Yes.
Katalan.
I put the scatterling in the trash. The truck is gonna come and get him today. Do you want me to show you
Ito,
the
hindi
scatterling?
namin to na-drive kahapon ang
Can I put
sasakyan.
it in?
Bakit?
No?
Hindi kami lumabas.
You tell the truck to come get him.
Truck, got him. Oh. He's not coming.
He's coming after.
Where is he?
Alright,
Where's the
see you.
green truck?
What time are you coming?
Who's that?
Caroline.
Caroline. Come on, let's go.
Let's have it.
Let's go now. Bring your water bottle.
Look, Mama. Look, Caroline.
Caroline. Come on now.
Caroline's cute.
Morning.
Why can we go to another room to
That's a
play?
baby. That's a baby room. Come on, you have to go to your room.
But I'm in my
Come on.
yellow jacket.
Come on.
I want my yellow jacket.
Yeah, we'll find your yellow jacket later. See your
I will
friends
keep
here.
it.
Come on, they're all here. Oh, sige na, go. Wow.
Now they're here.
Morning.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Oh my God, I look so different. Hala, ano sa tingin niyo guys? Ayan na ang ating new look. New hair. Oh my God, I'm very happy with it. Hala, speechless ako ba? Hala, sobrang ganda niya guys. I really love the color. Ayan. Time check pala tayo. It's now 3:12 ng hapon and kakatapos lang talaga. Kakapasok ko lang dito sa sasakyan. Nag-move lang ako kasi baka ma-fine tayo. Tigwa 1 hour lang kasi yung parking dito guys sa harap ng salon nila. So, ayan. So, yung ginawa ko sa aking buhok guys. So, pumunta ako doon for foil. Yung highlights ba. Pero yung hairdresser na yun, siya talaga yung gumagawa ng buhok ko for a while now. Nung na-damage yung hair ko, dyan ako sa kanya pumunta. Tapos, parang minanage lang namin yung kulay para bumalik yung sigla ng buhok and all. Sobrang tagal na niyang sinabi sa akin na itong kulay na to nga kasi it suits me daw. Pero, kasi na-trauma ako before sa bleach. Nung kailangan kong ikat yung aking hair na hanggang dito because na-bleach nga nila tapos nasunog. Sabi ko sa kanya, as much as possible, ayoko nang mag-bleach. So, ayun. So, few times na akong nakabalik sa kanya, walang bleach, walang ganoon, parang pure color lang talaga. And then, this time, sabi ko, kasi manganganak na ako very soon, gusto ko parang low maintenance, and parang, naka-cope up na ako doon sa aking trauma from last time yung nag-bleach ako. Parang umokay na yung pakiramdam ko kasi sabi niya your hair looks healthy. Oh, hindi na talaga siya healthy no ba? Healthier. now compared sa before. So, makakaya na niya yung ganito. So, yung ginawa niya guys, foil lang naman yung sabi ko sa kanya, yung highlights. Pero nung natapos, sabi niya sa akin, yung ginawa natin is balayage. So, blonde balayage, if ever daw na may magtanong kung ano yung kulay ng aking hair. Ayan. So, ito yung kulay niya, guys. Alam niyo, maganda siya tingnan, guys, no? Kasi, obviously, parang very bouncy yung kanyang, pagka curl, blow wave, ganun. O, diba? Ganyan talaga pag bagong labas galing sa salon. Parang feel mo, parang model ka sa, shampoo, conditioner. But, yeah, I'm really happy with my hair, guys. I told her I'm ready to pop now. Okay na ng mga anak ako kasi okay na ang aking hair, but no, I'm so glad. Kaya it's very important talaga na yung hairdresser mo alam kung ano yung history ng buhok mo. Kasi at least alam nila kung ano yung gagamitin nila ng mga ang tawag dito, ng mga products sa buhok mo na hindi siya madadamage talaga. Kasi ito siya guys, wala talaga siyang, para hindi siya nag-breakage or anything. But obviously, dahil nga, diba, medyo, parang brighter yung hair natin, lighter yung hair natin ngayon. Hindi siya parang, hindi na siya gaano ka healthy at like shiny talaga, katulad sa, virgin hair. Pero, as long as tingnan nyo, nagaganyan ko siya, So, healthy pa rin siya. Hindi talaga siya patay na patay. Kita nyo, Bobby? Lapitan natin ng konti. Ayan. Oh, lovely. I super love my hair, guys. Wala, feeling beautiful ako ngayon ba? Anyways, guys, baka maiba sa inyo dyan na naku-curious kung pwede nga bang magpakulay ng buhok while you're pregnant. So, yan din yung parang first question sa mind ko before nung gusto kong magpakulay. Nabuntis ako kasi nga, 'di ba, we're talking about mga chemicals na makaka-apekto sa baby and all. So, I've done my research, obviously, guys, and also my hairdresser is really good. When I asked her, maybe when I was 15 weeks or 16 weeks pregnant, kung pwede bang magpakulay, sabi niya sa akin, no, we have to wait. Kasi very early stage pa daw ng pregnancy. And, I've done my research and all, and yun na nga, yung perfect time talaga na magpakulay ng buhok while you're pregnant is around 2nd trimester to 3rd trimester. So, 3rd trimester na tayo ngayon kasi malapit na nga tayo mga anak, diba? We are approximately 5 weeks away from the finishing line. So, yung problema kasi guys, kapag too early pa sa pregnancy at nagpakulay ka, yung mga chemicals na ginagamit sa buhok, kasi yung baby is developing pa. So, now the baby is developed already. So, kapag yung baby ay nag-grow pa, ganun, so, it's better to keep away from chemicals na makaka-apekto sa baby. And also, kapag ganito lang siya guys, hindi siya talaga nakaka-apekto. Kasi, it's not touching the roots. Kaya nga pinili ko yung, yung parang highlights lang siya, foils lang siya, para hindi siya, mag touch sa roots, tapos hindi siya mapunta sa, tawag dun, bloodstream, yung mga ganun, basta pang science na guys. And also, if the area na ginagawa nila ng buhok mo is well ventilated, yung lumalabas talaga yung mga amoy, yung mga ganyan, yung hindi ka talaga na stuck sa loob na naaamoy mo lahat yung chemicals, it is totally fine. So, yun. Kaya yun. And I'm glad I waited, guys. Ayan, kasi parang naging healthy yung hair ko for a few months and then nagawa namin to without breaking my hair. Ayan. O, diba? What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section below if you think this suits me. Kasi personally, I really like the color. I think I'm so glad na, ayan. And you know what, guys? Siya lang talaga yung pina-decide ko kung ano yung maganda para sa buhok ko. Now, it's 3:20. Siguro, mamaya ko pa naman pipick upin si Paris. So, siguro, magtingin-tingin muna ako dyan. Tapos, para from here, diretso na ako pick upin ang ating baby girl. Hi guys! Nag-stop muna ako dito kasi sobrang nagugutom ako guys. Ayan. Mr. Soup. So, soup lang. And then, meron tayong California roll na sushi. Hindi ko sila kumain. Buti na lang doon kanina sa hairdresser, pinakain nila ako ng mga biscuit, binigyan nila ako ng tea. Sarap-sarap. Tapos after dito, pupunta pa ako ng may pipick upin tayo guys. And yeah, mamaya na lang, i-check ako na lang sa inyo kung ano yung pipick upin natin pag na-pick up na natin mamaya. And then after that, pick upin na natin ang ating baby girl and then home. She's hiding.
What is hiding for?
She's scared of you.
But it's just,
Bulungit ka na ko.
Mom, I just wanna
You're
touch.
messy.
I wanna touch.
You can't anak because she's on that side. It's very hard to touch. Let's go get your bag first.
Mom, it's the toilet.
You can see the toilet. You can see the
Mama,
toilet.
that's that.
What is that?
That's my pick. That's your present.
That's a present for me? Oh, thank you. That's very sweet. That's very sweet.
Look at this.
What else? What else? What's in there? Oh, that's your clothes. So, hi Tita and Tito.
What?
Hi Tita and Tito here
Hi,
first.
Tito and Tito.
What's Tito and Tito? Tita?
Tita and Tito.
Yeah. Now, did you notice different on Mommy? Did you notice any difference? What is that?
What is that?
Have a look. Have a look at my hair.
Yeah. They do like Anna's hair.
Huh?
It's like Anna's hair.
Anna's hair? Do you like Mama's new hair color?
Yeah, what color is it?
Blonde.
Oh, what color?
Hmm?
What color?
Blonde.
Blonde?
Blonde.
Blonde?
Yes. Do you like it?
Yeah, we like that color.
Are you sure? Are you sure? I
Wait.
love your hair color. It's natural.
Mommy, why are you on my face?
It's red.
Red again. My idea burn.
Hmm?
I did burn.
You didn't get burned. You're just beautiful. That's why.
I'm burning.
You're just beautiful. That's why.
What's here? Broke here.
Mm-hmm.
It's broken.
Ay, that's Ulas now.
Who broke?
That's Ulas. What did you do today?
Play.
Mm-hmm.
Play.
Play and
I eat casket.
what did you eat?
Casket.
Huh?
Casket.
Casket.
Yeah.
What is that?
Remember the yellow?
The yellow
Yeah.
crackers. You mean?
No, the one like the one casket.
There we go.
Okay.
And this one. Okay. I'm not open.
What's in there? Stop muna kami dito sa Filipino, hindi Asian grocery store.
It's for you.
Bibili na lang ng Natalie
Now, what do we
Coco.
get? Are you gonna ice cream?
Meron silang ganito dito. Pass daw. Wala akong lagnat. Go.
That's funny.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! We're home! Daddy Mike wears the same blonde now. What do you think of my hair? Yeah, yours is whiter, Bob, than this one. This one is more like ashy blonde. Do you like it though? Huy! Ayan, tignan nyo guys. So, full talaga yan siya. So, kahit na parang hatiin ko ang aking hair, ganyan, pag ganyan. Oh, the same talaga yung kulay sa ilalim. Ayan. Yan natin, baby girl. Oh. Yes, na. What is that?
Candy.
Oh, is that the candy? Show me, babe. Come. Show me, babe. Babe. Babe, mama try. Ah. Ah.
Look at this candy.
Ayan, kain muna kami guys kasi sobrang nagugutom ako. And then ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinick up ko kanina.
Mama,
So, sobrang late na pick up ko ang ating baby girl guys. Ano siya doon, mga 3 na lang sila naiwan doon sa childcare nung pinick up ko siya kasi yung traffic galing sa city ay sobrang crazy. Kaya ayun, natakot talaga ako baka mag 6:30 na ba tapos hindi pa ako nakarating. Paano na lang si Baby Paris? Pero sawa ng juice naman. Is that Ariel na?
Wow.
Oh. Ayan, oh sure. Dito wala iba. So ito na guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung pinick up ko kanina sa city. Kaya, na-traffic ako at na-late ako sa mag-pick up na natin baby girl. So, mga shirts to sila, pero bongga. Bonggalicious. Ayan. So, 3 sila. And you know what? Nabili ko to siya sa isang live selling dito sa Melbourne. And if magustuhan mo siya guys, sobrang hindi ko pa nakita talaga yung quality and all. So, let us find out together. So, mga sila guys, mga branded na mga shirts, pero hindi talaga siya totoo ha. Kasi, kung totoo ito, sobrang mahal naman, diba? Ah! Maganda yung kanyang tela, guys. Right off the bat, mag-feel mo talaga. Yes. Wow! Hala, okay naman pala sa akin tong size. Kasi, kahit na L yung size, Asian size naman pala. Come here. Wow! Ilalagay ko sa screen yung guys ha, if ever nandito kayo sa Melbourne, or kahit nasa ibang states kayo, basta nasa Australia kayo, check nyo yung website nila, yung Facebook page nila, ilalagay ko dito. Let's support small business, guys. Kasi, alam nyo na, kababayan, diba? So, dapat tulungan natin. Tulong-tulong tayo, guys. And also, ayan, maganda, oh. Maganda yung tela.
Can we see?
Ayan, so ito siya Fendi, yung aking kinuha isa. 3 yung kinuha ko kasi tag $35 each. Tapos, meron silang kapag tulog sa gapos. So, 3 for 100. Ayan, so that's the first one. Second one is this. So, that was Fendi and this one is Gucci. Gucci. So, this one is Gucci, guys. Oh, diba? Ang cute! This one is extra large, pero again, maliit siya kasi Asian size. Ayan, akala ko talaga siya ba? Malaki. Tingnan nyo, meron talagang mga ganyan, guys. Oh, meron talagang mga patag. Cute. Pero alam nyo, ito akala ko parang peach yung kulay niya sa live kagabi. Pero pink pala siya. Wow, suotin ko na to siya bukas ba? And then, egg. And then the last one here is, careful anak mo, wala kong camera no, is this one. This is Moschino. White one. Ayan, white one. You like the heart? Oh, sobrang ganda niya, diba? What size is this one, eh? Oh, size large. Ganda ng kanyang mga guys. Kanyang cloth. Ayan, oh. Meron pang pa-wash tag na nalalaman. Oh, I think it's worth it for the price. Basta ilalagay ko yung Facebook page nila dito sa screen. Check out nyo sila, guys. Ayan. Kakasimula lang daw nila. So, hopefully, they will grow more and more and more. Ayan. O, diba? Sobrang ganda. Ganda ng heart. So, ito. 3 ang aking nabili. Ayan. O, diba? Remember nung diba dapat sana bibilhan ako ni Daddy Mike ng yung Gucci na... Careful, anak, kay mata. Ako na tong camera, anak. Yung Gucci na jumper na, oh my God, tag $1,500. What is it, anak? You want a shirt? Here's the light. Nabuha. Diba yung $1,500? Sus, tapos ito, oh, 3 na. Maganda naman, depende yun sa pagsuot, guys. So, hindi naman talaga kailangan na Ayan. 2, 3. Thank you. Mine 3. Mine all. Ayan. So, yun na yun, guys. At ngayon ay i-end ko na ang ating vlog. Nak, magbabay na ta, tita, nak. Kasi, alam niyo, kakatapos ko lang din mag-edit. Hindi tayo nakapag-upload for 2 days. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Hang on, let's do shout out first. We'll do shout out. But this is my hair, Daddy.
Yeah, mommy.
Are you naked now?
Yes.
Nagustuhan naman ni Daddy Mike yung aking hair, guys. Ayan. Happy naman ako sa hair ko. Ayan, oh. For a change ba, diba? Mahaba pa rin siya. Pinatrim ko lang siya. Ayan, para... Kasi gusto ko yung mahaba pa rin yung hair. Anyways, thank you for watching today's video, guys, ha? Magsha-shoutout na tayo. Shoutout to Lovella Radok, Rosemary Verzon, Sofia Wapanyo, Gemma Mostre, Loribel Saa, the Elaine Trero Amoloria Rosales family, Adelaida Ocano, Efgenia Zarate, Jacqueline Gallo, Emelita Gonzalez, Charity Mayo, Maricar Castaneda, Belindy Jesus, Lee Fam Vlogs, Karen Joyce Uvas. Are you okay? I'm pushing. Emmy Garcia, Joanne Ambe, Via Havison, Mercy Narito, Hilaska, and Tess Arellano. Ayan, come here. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,